Hey guys, I'm at Albertsons. I was just going through this real quick. I'm down to like the middle. Haven't found anything. Seen like four Camaros. So this might be an older. There's some Teslas, Mario Kart. There's an El Camino. So this is definitely an older shipper, but who knows? I found treasure hunts here before. No super here, but never know. Which one was that one? Pagani. Might take that one. So I'm definitely gonna take a Camaro, even though it's not the super, but. Well, that's pretty much it. Where did I leave the Camaro? Here it is. So I'll take this one and then the Pagani. I checked the pegs. There's nothing there, so that's gonna be it for this stop. I'll see you at the next one. Hey guys, I'm at Target. Check this out. I know this was out. That's a maybe though. That's a maybe. I got the pink slips. Porsche. Hummer. But this caught my eye right here, and this one, the bakery one, funny car, Andy car, a few of those, and with the last one being different, the jungle gym. Camaro, ooh, take this one, Model World, the Mustang back there. Camino, the Camaro Firebird, Just waiting for some people at the Hot Wheels. Let's see. I think that's it. Let's see if I can go around. See what's over here. Auto World, not what I'm here for, but it's what I found. Oh, they got a little dumping over here. Got the Corvette. Someone set them up nice. Ooh, look at this bus, man. I want to take this bus. Patrol. Batmobile, no longer buying those. My bus. What case is this? It's B and C. B and C case. There's a Corvette, twin mill, Hummer. It's not really much here. I'll take these two and then go back to the pegs over here since they moved already. Ooh. Let's see. Empty. All these peg warmers. We saw this one though. Look at that taco truck. There's the treasure hunt there. Finding that everywhere. But I think that's it. That's gonna be it for this stop. Just the bus and the Camaro. See you at the next stop. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm at Target. Been a while since I've been to this one, but looks like they finally got some stuff in. Look at this one's a mod rod. This one's actually looks better than the other ones they've been releasing. Looks better than the freaking treasure hunt from last year. So, just a model. The Hummer. There's some more. Ooh, look at this one. West Coast Flyer. It's also been a while since I found a red edition. But I'm actually looking for the Back to the Future car. I had one
And I thought I had extra, so I'll let my son open it. Turns out I don't have extra ones, so now I gotta find one because I don't open my car, so now I gotta find one. But look at this carby one right here. A gasser. X-rays. Netflix. X-rays. Is there a show on Netflix? I canceled my subscription, so I don't know. Motor show. Batman. Extra cars over here. Jeep. I got this one. But nah. Let's check out the rest. These on Z. The Tesla Roadster RC. Moving parts. Oh, check out the NASCAR ones. Nah. Oh, look, it's a Gravedigger one. But should we get on this?
Where's Easter basket?
Yeah? Okay. There's a few different ones. But the whole point is that you can't tell what you're gonna get. You have to wash them. Those are actually pretty cool. You have to wash them and that dirt comes off and it reveals which one it is. Obviously, you know, it's a Gravedigger, but you don't know which one. Pontiac, Camaro, the IROC Z, the Z. Ooh, I used to buy these all the time, 007. Mark 1. I have 3 different kinds. I got the Endurance Racing, Thunderbird, and Camaro, Firebird. The same ones. These are different. I don't know. I might have to buy. Well, guess I'm just taking the Monster Jam, son of a Gravedigger. That's gonna be it for this stop. So, kind of want to take this one. I'll take it. Why not? I'll take these 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, turn notifications on for future videos.